This is previous, that means document directly from the ChatGPT, content from the ChatGPT. Turnitin showing 100% detected as AA. So here you see that, right? After AI text humanizer from the LMS AI, it's showing 0% detected as AA. You can see. Hi viewers, welcome to LMS solution and LMS AI. Today we are going to see about how to reduce AI content into humanist content. In its LMS AI, we developed one tool or template, AI Text Humanizer. It can able to reduce the AI content to humanist content. For that, I'm going to generate some content from the ChatGPT. Provide introduction for grid connected PV system with the MBBT technique. So like that, I'm going to give the instruction with generating the content. To generate the content, just I'm going to copy this content and open Word document and then paste the content. And I'm going to add more details because for Turnitin checking, right, the minimum word count should be more than 300. We will generate the content 400 means that will be useful for checking the AI checking in the Turnitin effectively. Just I'm going to copy this one and paste. Now we are getting around 500 words. Okay. Just I'm going to save this content just in introduction in the document section. Okay. Now yes, next it comes to checking in the Turnitin. Just I'm going to upload the document. Just I want to upload this document. I think I'm going to close this one and upload it. We start checking the similarity and AI match. Now comes to originality AI. Just I'm going to upload the document. Comes to document and upload this. I loaded that file and then now going for scan. Okay. Now you see that, right? It's showing originality is showing 100% AI content. Okay. Now I'm goes to LMS AI tool and AI Text Humanizer. Open the Word document. You copy the content like two paragraph. Okay. Just copy this and then paste it in the text box and click humanize. If you add two paragraph, right, then you can eliminate the AI content effectively by using that LMS AI tool and paste it here. The next comes to another 2 paragraph, copy and paste and humanize. Just you copy this content. So here I'm going to add that one. This is second paragraph. Okay. And next you have to copy the remaining paragraph and put it in the text box and humanize and just copy this and then so this paragraph 1 and this here. Okay. Now we converted into that content into humanist content. Mean we used that AI text humanizer. Next you have to check this content. Okay, I'm going to save this. First go to document and introduction new. Okay, just I want to save this one. Checking is still checking. Okay, comes to original TA and go to new scan and I'm closing the two document. Just I'm going to import that this one introduction new and load file. After loading, just you scan. Thus showing only 100% confident. Everything will be green. That means the system detected is human generated content. Okay, in the original TAA. Next you have to check this one in the Turnitin. It's still processing. Wait for some time. Now you see that, right? A match will be 100%. Okay. Here I'm going to click this one. Here you see that, right? 100% detected. That means Turnitin, the old document, right? It's showing 100%. Okay. Now I'm going to again upload that the converted document. Just going to upload. Click and go to document and click introduction new and open the upload. So I'm going to check in the AI text, that means humanist content in the Turnitin. We have to wait for some time. It will take time to check the AI content. Already we checked in the original TA. It show fully 100% humanist content. Okay, you see that, right? Showing 100%. We are 100% confident text is human written. If it is green, fully green, right, then it known as humanist or human written content. Okay, so you have to wait for a report from the Turnitin. Still processing. Wait for some time. Now that process completed. Before that similarity is 35%, now it similarity is 25%. And before EA score is 100%, now the EA score is 0%. Just I'm going to download this document. So now see that, right? The 0% detected as EA by using Turnitin. That means Turnitin show only 0% after humanistic content. So I'm going to open that previous content also. We will compare both. So this is previous, that means document directly from the ChatGPT, content from the ChatGPT. Turnitin showing 100% detected as AA. So here you see that, right? Here the same after AI text humanizer from the LMS AI, it's showing 0% detected as AA. You can see that content. Okay, that content is fully humanized by using LMS AI 2. You can check the percentage also. This is 100% AA. So after AI text humanizer from the LMS AI, it is 0%. We can use that LMS AI text humanizer to humanize the content. That means whatever content generated from the ChatGPT, Gemini or Claude, right? Any AI tool, right? Then you can put it that content better for the better result, right? We just copy 200 words and then humanize the content and then use that content. Definitely it won't show in that originality AI and Turnitin AI. Okay, so you can use this content for your applications. So thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you much. Bye bye.